this is a very common mistake that everyone makes, okay? And what happens is we know that sukoon is a vowel-less letter. So what we do with that is we only make the sound of that letter, okay? So in Surah al-Fatiha, the focus of the word we are concentrating on today is the word an'amta, an'amta, okay? So the ayat is Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladhdallin. The word is an'amta. The word in Arabic, the word an'amta is a verb, and it means, as you have seen, is you have bestowed your favors or you have blessed. Okay? Now, when the word is mispronounced, when the sukoon is mispronounced, okay, what happens is we turn it into ana amta. Ana amta. What we are essentially doing is breaking the word into two when it is actually one word. Okay? In being it one word, we have to say as an amta, and the mispronunciation is ana amta. And in Arabic, ana means I, and amta, there is no word in the Arabic dictionary as amta. Okay? Now, if you add a vowel to the noon, what you are doing is you're changing the meaning of this word. This is you speaking to Allah, saying you have blessed us, or blessed the people that you have blessed. Okay? So an'amta is the correct word. By bouncing on the noon or sakin here, the sukoon letter, what you do is you change the meaning of that. So you have to be very careful of that. An'amta. Okay? It shouldn't be read as an'amta. So if we do happen to read it as an'amta, what we do is we completely change the meaning. So you can see how even symbols affect the meaning of the words. Okay? Although that is considered a small mistake, but a repetitive small mistake turns into a major mistake. So that's why we need to be careful when we read the sukoon letters, and being careful not to bounce on them. Okay? So that's what we really need to remember about sukoon in anywhere that it appears. Okay? But okay. So now to summarize with that is you do not read the word as an'amta, and the correct way would be read as what, Adita?